Hello student. Today we are discussing when company issue the share at premium. It is a company, okay, and raise the fund from the public, right? So company demand, if company's repo is up, or you can say good, and goodwill is more, reputed company is there, so company issue the share to the public on premium, or you can say more than its face value. 10 rupees share and company take 10, 12, or you can say 15 or 20. More than, you can say more than face value. That called security premium, or you can say share issue at premium, right? Now when company receives the premium amount, it is totally profit of the company. If company is reputed, okay, it gains in issue of shares, and that amount will be transferred in the security premium account. But the Indian Companies Act 2013 section 52 subsection 1, the security premium account is there, but in schedule there is security premium reserve account is mentioned. Okay, if you credit the amount in security premium reserve account or security premium account, both are correct. Okay, so how you make the entry and how you show the security premium in accounting treatment. First I want to tell you about premium, that the amount of premium will be utilized in different expenses, share issue expenses, discount on shares, or you can say preliminary expenses, and company want to issue the bonus shares. Sometimes company want to buy back some securities. So in that case, company use that premium, security premium, and security premium can be utilized on share issue expense generally. Okay, so next thing is that the security premium reserve will be shown in the balance sheet, reserve and surplus headings. Okay, so how you show in accounting procedure, I want to discuss here. If premium is not mentioned, where the premium, it may be on application, on allotment, on first call, on second call. Okay, for example 3, 3, 2, 2, 10 rupees share, 2 rupees premium, it may be here. Okay, and another example, 8 may be on allotment, it may be here, right? Here on application, here on allotment. Okay, first I want to tell you in application how you do the entry. First entry, bank account debit to share application account, simple. Next entry, share application account debit to share capital, to security premium reserve account, right? Here it will be credited, here this one, or you can say like this. Share application account debit to share capital to security premium reserve. On transfer entry, it will be credited. Okay, next I want to tell you on allotment. Here allotment, how you do the entry here. First entry, share allotment account debit, share allotment account debit to share capital account to security premium reserve account, right? Here like this. I want to tell you share capital in if it is on allotment, then it will be credited with the share capital. If it is on application, then it is also credited with share capital, and that is transfer entry, and that is due entry. It may be on first call, it may be on second call, wherever it is, then it will be recorded with the due entry with share capital. Okay. Now you can do the question regarding this. Thank you.